Did you know the internet uses two different types of encryption, and they work together every time you visit a secure website? Welcome back to CyberMigos. Today we're explaining the difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric versus asymmetric encryption. Encryption protects data by turning readable information into unreadable ciphertext. Symmetric encryption uses one shared secret key. The same key encrypts the data, and the same key decrypts the data. The key sharing problem. Both sides must know the same secret key, so how do you safely share that key over the internet? So sending the same secret key over the internet isn't safe. Exactly. That's why asymmetric encryption was invented. Asymmetric encryption. Asymmetric encryption uses two keys, a public key and a private key. The public key encrypts the data. The private key decrypts it. How HTTPS uses both. Secure websites use asymmetric encryption first. This safely exchanges a secret key. Then symmetric encryption takes over, because it is much faster. Key takeaway. Asymmetric encryption securely exchanges the key. Symmetric encryption protects the actual data. Together, they secure internet communication. If you want cybersecurity explained simply, subscribe to CyberMigos. New cybersecurity concepts explained every week.